Yes. Biano ka I join your live video. I go one is yoku. No demolition. Ever. You can so put a baby in the room. No, now we born and ginger. That's not yet the beginning. Go you see our walk. In the room. Sit here. I'm going to do something. I got a room in the Roman, Bunde, Italy. They are deceived Africa, paint Africa black. That's no only former in Africa where. And those of your pastors and bishops and prophets, them, now have you have a members of their church, Isiagu. Tell your members of the church the truth. People who have never traveled before, tell them the truth. So that they will know the truth and the truth will set them free. If you're anything in Europe, as long as I'm a Christian, they won't make it in Europe. Because the Christian old time religion. That is why Europe is not even an Asian country to compare Africa. Man had a guru, head of church, head of Catholic church, Rome. Because in Africa, I don't know head of church. Today, I have found and discovered head of church, Catholic church. It's not even in Rome. The first church, first cathedral, is not even in Rome. Manandi Rome, Italy, Jpac from Africa, Buje head of cathedral, basilica, Buje Rome, and the Nigerians need. And they use, I will start Ikumon de Hammer. Like you defend your job. Before you ask me stupid question, bar flight, travel work, don't ask me a question irrelevant. Somebody is telling you from the bottom of the storyline, and what do you do about Catholic Church? If you like, believe. You don't like, believe. I will go to tell them the truth. Okay, this travel, my eye don't open. My eye don't open. I worship God of Abraham, Isaac, and Jacob. And I'm going from Europe. As long as the Catholic Church does not come stand the head of church in Africa, there's no reason for any member of Catholic Church and they within the Vatican City. Anybody can know. Oh. Onye ọbụla be Christian we ka na-atụ ụtụ awe na-eburu ụtụ a na-eje Rome abụghị Christian. Abịara Rome akpọọ Jesus Christ, kpọọ Mary, kpọọ ihe niile ndị Africa, Nigeria a na-worship ihe akpụrụ akpụ dị na Italy. Ndị Italy nara Africa glory. Today anyị gara ebe a na-akpọ Kent. I'm not going to make post one video, watch your video to the end. I'm not going to make post one video, watch your video to the end and share the video. Don't watch the video halfway. You watch your 1 minute, you jump into conclusion. Come here, man, post video 4 minutes or 5 minutes. Man, I cut to your cut. That was you. Okay. You gotta post the video 5 minutes. Good now, watch. Even to Egypt black. Moshi. Paint together some context black. Can do what we have sent. Now, Ibu and Ejo Catholic. I'm the Ejo Catholic. The two check back and make it because come back is yoku. Come back in Kebogeni in Kebe is you. I want to tell you the truth. I got a and about holy city or the Egypt, the same country and they painted black or the Egypt. Now let me tell you how that place become holy city. Ibi ebe ahụ enwere in one place ya enwere Muslim. Now I'm going to tell you about the jail. So the jail just go get out. What didn't concern me. Another 2 months. Only be people that are prison. If you want to go out, let him get out. It's none of my business. Now, Ibiana this thing. Ibiana Noboda Egypt. What makes that place holy? Muslim were a church near that place. 1. Ndi Jew were a church near that place. 2. Christians were a church near that place. 3. Ndi Orthodox were a church near one happened because every doctrine, every religion, but I never answer honored. Only one actually in honored ever had a worship God. Now let me shock you. That video you like here, believe you like it. It's none of my business. Because I am my brother. White adroka anywa. Neji nkeba egwu wayo. Mgbe Jesus Christ, amụrụ Jesus Christ, amụọ Jesus Christ, wee kwuru as a Herod, King Herod, wee na-achụ Jesus ka egbuo Jesus na Bethlehem. Ha wee gbaa ọsọ. Mary and Joseph, that time na when enwebeghị Roman Empire. Can go to the reason why the head of church not supposed there for Italy. Nobody is supposed to the church, not the head of church not supposed there for Italy. But in Italy, they have paint Africa black, Africa blue, ha dowara the thing, not Africa power. They were the head of church in Italy. I now worship where you put a hard possible. I said, no. Church IBC. Even a travel go, Jaga can call a hammer. As a herald, when I true gave Jesus, the Western I gave woman never met child. Starting from 1 day old to 3 months old. Joseph na Mary, where for Jesus Christ, where also we better with Egypt. Najabunti, we also when at Egypt. Abraham at Egypt, where have Egypt. That place, yeah, they're very close to Mokata. I will show you everything. My well, that woman, now be a ceremony. Even that place, like Jesus to Egypt. Ever gone away to where that very well, Hannah ceremony, that woman said that. Na million to that. Yesterday, million over there, 2 million to that. Egypt, they were a million. Egypt, they were a million. Listen to me. Those people that are living in Egypt, Egypt, they will never have desert. Man, do you know that that particular place, baby, when they sprinkle water on a hat, that's well, on a date, you date. Eba, it could be Jesus Christ. Eba, it could be Jesus Christ. We check up there, no underground in a cave. Nibo Kute can hide in Jesus Christ. Eba can the date, not can the dark, rotate. It's a very small place. Man, how does it due to civilization? It doesn't see about Hawaii as you or Kudozie. Man, they have ancient iron. Who are the Europeans when they come in terms of civilization? Can they be Europe? Civilization started from Egypt. Oh, I will show you this thing. I'm gonna make the metal. It took a metal gates. Uchi metal tarantara more than 2,000 years ago. Also, head of Christianity is in Europe. Yes, as the head of Christianity in Europe, but it's not supposed there for Europe. Europe can be baby in civilization and ancient. Mr. T. Abino, God bless you. Pastor T. Abino, Onyamuma Abino, thank you very much for joining us. I want you to just stay like 10 minutes. Let me educate some people. European not supposed to be head of Catholic. Head of Catholic was in Africa, ancient Africa. I remember today. I am enough that cave, only cave. If on the ground, ever had a holy of holies. If at that place, they don't born you well to wear slippers. Muslim on even that place, Christian on even that place, Jews on even that place. I asked somebody, say, where are you from? I said, I'm from Netherlands. Netherlands, are you a Christian? I said, no, I'm not a Christian. And say, what do you come here to do? So I come here to respect Jesus Christ. To see where they hide Jesus Christ. And say, are you a Christian? So, I'm not a Christian. Muslim can you wear matter than Jesus Christ they may exist. Because Ubota be a Muslim country. But if you see the way they respect Jesus Christ, if you feel I'm a Christian. If you see the way this country they respect Christ, if you I'm a Christian country. Man have a pure Muslim, and that is why they can never fight with, they can never draw fight with Egypt. Sorry, with Israel, because Israel, how they conference with Israel in 1959. Now Hannah Bambe wanted to fight again because of then how we bond, common bond. From here to Israel is just like 12 hours. 12 hours drive. From here to Israel is like 1 hour 30 minutes flight. If any about here, Pastor Rama, many pastors are very bad, they will not tell you the truth. I'm pastor, I'm prophet, I'm evangelist. I'm just a blogger, named research and discovery. I will tell you nothing but the truth. One and one there. Pastor here, I am a bishop never here, they will not tell you the truth. Evangelist never here, they will not tell you the truth. And do you know the funny part of it? You cannot pay shishi, you don't pay money. You don't pay money to go there and fetch water. Give me that bag. I will show you video. Okay, he be by a full white. Story. I could call Mama Ngozi and Jpac. God bless you for bringing your face. Let me remove you from the live video. And since you don't worry, I don't beg followers. Once what I'm saying is story. Bring your head, let me block you straight. Time for acknowledgement, Jerube, my brother. Paulino Skinsele. Time for acknowledgement never reach. Time for acknowledgement never reach. If I thought that well, if you know have ancient well, Ndi Greece not that place. Ndi Netherlands not that place. Thailand, okay. Do you know what shocked me today? In the China, Chinese and Hong Kong. When I was asking them, you're China, so yes, I'm China. Are you a Christian? So I'm not a Christian. The other one, are you a China? Yes, I'm from Japan. Are you a Christian? So I'm not a Christian. So why are you here? So we're here to come and see where baby Jesus was laid, where they keep baby Jesus Christ. Chinese, they're there, where they lie Jesus Christ. And African, more especially Nigerian, Ndi blacks, Ndi Igbo, because they want to dwell in iniquity. You don't want to do your own and allow other people to do their own. If they say that Christianity is a scam, and the China technology is a Jpac for Chinese. Police everywhere, now guide all the tourist people need it. And now one night, I've been asking government, I've been asking, ancient like a pharaoh or museum or that particular one for Jesus Christ, Hana 1 naira. To tell you, nah, you will even teach a dear. I don't say you pay money. No, you don't pay money. No, but it's free. You come here, you pray, you talk to God, you turn to pray, your God will take you around. This is free. The tourist guide, you just give him tips. He said, no problem. This is the water. It's the bottled water, but I'm really 1. Here from that well. Car 2. Car 3. Car 4. Car 5. I don't know how you believe. It's not by force. It's not by force. It's not by force. It's not by force to believe. But as a tourist, you can, even if you don't believe anything, believe that somebody can go to country, Jamati Fendon and Ndona Amaro. Well. How on they do that? Every other stone. This is like that stone. I'm going to see to in here before. I know how to go on that. If I got that stone, this is pure stone. This is not wood. Here would you call pie? I go ball and erase in the na-eresi ndị dibịa ọ na-eresi ndị ya akụta pure precious stone a grindera eji ya na machine due to technology a tinyere na machine wee grind ya wee smooth. This is pure stone. This is 1,500 Egyptian pounds. This is pure precious stone. Pure stone, 1,500 Egyptian pounds. Then, here brass. This is 800 Egyptian pounds. Original wood, brass, gold. 800 Egyptian pounds. This is cup, brass cup, 800 Egyptian pounds. This is raw oil, raw oil. Nke abụrụ kwa nke Jesus Christ, ihe ahụ nọma ihe a na-ere o. Ihe ahụ ihe nke abụrụ adị m ere ihe ahụ ihe ngoro onwe m just for personal use. It's nothing concerning this one and the church. Here I bought this one outside the church. Here there is no millions of here. Then the only thing in go to the Jakam sere mmiri. Yes, the military who could have more ever say a bottle water big one for Kakam Jakam we sere see. So you talk and say telling mmiri. Madam no SS gay, SS weight, or SS luggage. Ihe weta ego ihe weta ego moto mmejize bia ụba na-ebu mmadụ ejebe abụ uje na ọna bụ 500 Egyptian pounds. So here ego ga na-eri n'obodo a. Nobody has ever given me 1 naira n'obodo a. I'm here, we just want to use our money to go tourist, to just go round. But one thing I discovered today, o nwere cedar tree na-egbu ikpe ọma a na-akpọ cedar tree. Ọ bụghị adịm gị goro adịm ere na agwa gị na o nwesi ihe ndị ochie that mmanụ aha that tree. Oh God, I don't know why Nigeria achọghị idozi nke a. Anyị nwechara all those things ibe n'Enugu. Anyị nwechara tourist attraction n'Enugu, nwechara tourist attraction na Anambra State, but the problem is our government just may overlook. I have a tourist attraction n'Enugu, na Anambra State, Abia State. Our government just know. I don't just know. That manual, that osisi that cedar tree or getting. Here the root, the embroidered they far. And I grind, they grind, the chassis grind there. You will miss here we see that oil here perfume. Here pet oil. Yeah, that's perfume. Cedar tree, yes. God bless you. Less of thank God they know before people are standing there. And that's cedar tree never. But I would grind your uncle. When they say, yeah, boy, that's all you need is you talk. Yeah, holy oil in here. I didn't hear mother also pay. Unless now my mother is near me before we hear this thing. Because I stressed before I could buy this thing. So I miss here. It was like a holy of holies. It is highly spiritual. And not the one the Bobble. It was like it is highly spiritual. There, walk out the tray. Yeah, but the white oil, pure oil, and this is the tree. Then he does it with the fact that I miss here now. Where okay, yes, eucalyptus oil. How did you go Israel before? You were way buy frankincense. Now here frankincense like this. But I will still go there, I will buy here frankincense. Whether we may anoint your house. People are not the head on the way. Whether fair in your house or got hanga musuman or bromo abu Jpac. I feel I go no amusu. Oh, nothing like amusu. What you attack amusu? Here got a spiritual, highly spiritual. Where I can do like 4, 5, 6, 7 with this oil. We tell the Francis we pay. He need the money big I can see. Even now, but I'm a man, they see me. Abroad, I guess this is your own Fanta. This virus hit you now. Say you don't turn cedar oil to your own. In my favorite, you have original, but Fanta artificial sugar. If I can have cedar oil and 3. Believe whatever you want to believe. It's none of my business. I don't my mother, as I said. I don't my mother, and I can never beg anybody. I know how much I bought this thing. Hey, forget 500 Egyptian pounds. I'm not my young people like anybody. I just want to tell you, if Egypt, if actually all those things that are Israel, but even Hannah, Israel is one name because Israel is here by weapon. By tomorrow, I will carry you. I will still go a place where they are calling 6 October. Ebe a Jew Israel a captive before he see from 6 October where never Egypt. Abraham on Andoronaga before he see Egypt where never Israel. Moses for Hawega. Open a time permit me. I will still show you whatever at the 12 hours drive. About burning bush on Mount Sinai. Boundary between Egypt and Israel. Israel, Egypt, Mount Sinai, about Red Sea. This one is burning bush. Okadi Reruta. Europe will not tell you this. That is why I am highly against Europeans. They will not tell you what they saw in Africa. That what they saw in Africa, it is never in any part of the world. It is never in any part of European country and American continent. What they saw in Africa, it is never in anywhere, any part of European. They will not televise that one and they will not promote that one. They will not tell you that one. That burning bush is still today. Maybe I don't know how I discovered it. How they keep burning bush like that? Or we can say World Trade Center. The place where Moses dwelled, the place where Moses dwelled before they moved to Promised Land, Israel, Kadivia mountain, that mountain. Do you know a Muslim man in Egypt was telling me, on America, on our English, a Muslim man was telling me that if you want to receive something from God, go to Mount Sinai and pray. Nobody, no witchcraft can get you. Muslim. When I say, do you go to Mount Sinai? I say, yes, I do go to Mount Sinai with my family. I say, are you a Christian? I say, no, I'm not a Christian, I'm a Muslim. But we worship one God because we call Jesus Christ Muhammad. Christianity called Jesus Christ Son of God. We call Jesus Christ Messenger. Do you believe in Jesus? Say, yes, I believe in Jesus Christ, but we call him a messenger, and well, Muslim we call him Muhammad. If I'm not about this three religion, the same thing. Man, na mataya say ye je were poison. See no Ndi Igbo. Can Ndi Igbo we own house because now they Christian. I will show you video even the China na drag ka haje say photo nebe ni bere Jesus Christ. Nigerian pastor will not tell you this thing. They will paint Egypt black. Tell you that the Egyptian you see today, you see them no more. Is there any country that does not have evil people? Oh, on that mountain now, I don't know mountain now, but the foot of Moses is still there. And I have to walk. Anything concerning God, and one naira. Okay. Anything concerning God, Christian, nego. Muslim no nibe ben na agwaghi fa. Ibu ta sebe na afusi ka hasa kwari ndị nwụrụ anwụ. Ochie, rabbi. Ị ga na afu ili. Na afu ili nke 1905, 1832, 17 this. Ị na afu ili rabbi. Ochie people ndị jere ozi n'Israel before ha nwụọ, before jere ozi n'Egypt before ndị nwụrụ anwụ. They still respect those people na that time and in Egypt. Ndị dịkwa ndụ adị na shia back to Israel. But Matthias na ejiri cup of hatred na agbari ndị Igbo n'ọnụ, na echebe ndị Igbo n'ọnụ, ndị Igbo na-aṅụ. Somebody who has never traveled to to country ka ị mara kere na ihe a na-ekwu na truth. O nwere cup of asị na cup of hatred ọ na-echebe ndị Igbo n'ọnụ si ndị Igbo ya na-aṅụ na-ebute disunity. Come to Nigeria. Do you know that Nigeria Muslim is different from Egyptian Muslim? Nigerian Muslim, they very different from Egyptian Muslim. Muslim ebe a na Christian na-emekọ ife, ha na-emekọ ife. The difference there bụ na Christians na-eme their own on Saturday. Obodo enwere Sunday. Obodo enwere Sunday. I'm talking to you with experience. On Sunday, ha na-eje ọrụ. Christians na-eje ọrụ on Sunday. They worship God on Saturday, Sabbath day. Ihe a bụ ancient religion ndị bara gboo. Pastors of Nigeria will not tell you this. Only thing the difference between Muslim here and Christian, when Muslim worship their own on Saturday, on Friday. Why Christians here worship their God on Saturday? That is only different. That is only different. On Sunday, everybody return back to your duty post. Go to work. They have only 2 weekends, Saturday and Sunday. Because of they still, and the same thing is still happening in Israel. Israel, they are worshiping Jehovah on Saturday. That's why they say, remember the Sabbath day and keep it holy. Their Sunday was Saturday. Why Sunday is Monday? They worship their God on Monday. But now, God bless you. Now you have traveled and see truth. I was in Qatar and we worship on Friday and Saturday. And Sunday we move on to work. When I was in Qatar, I go to church. I go to church on Saturday. On the Christian Sabbath day. Udi ebe akata adị na Nigeria, ha ga-anagide gị ego. A ga-emegide adoration. A ga-akagide holy. There's nothing like holy. Do you know na ebe akata Jeremiah abịagasị ebe atari Jew ha abịagasị ebe abịacha ebe ahụ eze foto mee video na jụọ ha na onwere onye nara ha gate fee? The answer is no. The only money they pay is the tourist guide ha wee bịa maọbụ ụgwọ ha kwụrụ ndị tourist bu moto wee bịa. That gate of church of holy of holies and akwụ ụgwọ. Answer is no. You don't pay money. And the inner bribe money, the police is everywhere, camera is everywhere. The person will beg you, please give me tips for taking you around and explaining things for you. Iman Bible study in Egypt. Christians have Bible study. He want a revival hour. He want adoration. He want nothing like me and I say, what do you come from? Say, come to pray. Say, okay, only prayer. Come and pray and go. He say, everywhere the quiet, no sound, no band, no budum, because they call it holy of holies. Let me see people that will come and attack me in a Christian. More about Christian. Man about Christianity, the main truth. Only Gube came where I will come out. Omenala and major for the truth, Monga. Oh, guys, it's time for us to embrace the truth. No revival hour, no Bible study, no evangelism, nothing. No tongue crier, no adoration, nothing. Manahana Akoka. They are Christians. On Saturday, on Friday, that place are Christian the power. I am talking to you with experience. Ask anybody that's living in Egypt will tell you. On Saturday, on Friday, Christianity no kadiba church no kadiba baho. Ndị Muslim ya nọkwa ebe a ka ụka ebe ahụ edobere Jesus Christ. Ha kacha ụka ha kwara ngwongwo ha pụọ. Ndị Christian abịa ka Saturday otu ndị Jew. Nobody mana ọ bụ na ụdị ihe na Nigeria a ga na-ere sticker one, a ga na-ere olive oil, a ga na-ere anointing oil, a ga na-ere every kind of oil. Mmiri a kịta bụ mmiri a karịrị mmiri nsọ ahụ unu na-agbagharị na galọn na Nigeria. Ụdị ahụ na-apị fem. Mmiri ifuru kịta, I was told also number one, the mmiri na-enugide inu. Mmiri ya abụrụ mmiri. Ịṅụọ mmiri a kịta ihe na-atọ bụ pure salt. Onye abụrụ mmiri ọ na-elu ilu mana mgbagoro na ana ka esetere ebe a Jizọs na Mary nọ. Ya mmiri a dị n'ime ebe a Jizọs sere mmiri ebe a. Mmiri a dị very na ọ dịghị ka mmiri. Ọ dịghị ka mmiri. but the man is saying poison, can't the poison because the miracle medicinal. Media carry millions of the federal Nigeria. 10 millions on our way. No, I bless you. Bless you. Bless you. Bless you. You never ordinary water put on the federal Nigeria. Mediating no, or you the federal Nigeria. This is the original million saw. Original million saw. Media kata in Nigeria kata. Here na put 1 million naira before even say million. That is why Nigeria is very far from God. Qatar has religious center. Yes, now everybody. It becomes like ever before. For everyone, even Catholic and Anglican use the same environment, but once every Friday, nothing like adoration or Bible study. Upon the Muslim. Manudina off your data and made the disturb you. Manudina get a one in Nigeria. I can eat you million fee what 1 bottle water here, 1 million naira. I'm a good million in Enugu State, million when million discovered that time in Enugu State. I better over natural water they discovered in Enugu. That I know. As na million agwa enyu no na agwa imo e ma no million ka ga je kuru million na Enugu State o e ma na eji ihe we block 1 million na akwa ugbo e ma na eji something we block 1 million na akwa ugbo mmiri Chineke kere eke ana na Enugu side the Oji River yes no Oji River mana million get free ona ha agwa we cho de trailer na ami ona agwa enere mo me fo me kan fo ye butere mu Roman religion again and again kan jogi Roman Empire and Egyptian Empire and African Empire kende buzo kende bu the oldest people in the world in the room we kurata we but Africa we because they cannot deceive you. There are some African countries they can able to penetrate and deceive, not Africa. Not Africa. They came to North Africa, they did not succeed. That is why they came to West Africa. The place they know they can be able to deceive them. They can be able to deceive them. The people that succeeded deceiving Ghana, Nigeria, Sierra Leone, Liberia, Ivory Coast, all they deceive West Africa can be deceive. Okay, the person Ivory Coast make the struggle they can number 1 in to the extent that Ivory Coast they run the biggest and the largest cathedral in the whole world, which is the Holy Basilica Cathedral. You know, the largest and the biggest cathedral in the whole world, other than Yamoussoukro. Na Ivory Coast. The largest. Manaro Saranatin. Pope Wegwaha that na me bupu. Negamunti. That na me bupu. St. Peter Basilica. St. Peter. Then a room. Na me bupu. And St. Peter remained the biggest. Now the Hayabu the biggest. After President Homophobe, Hofegbeyi of Ivory Coast, that ruled Ivory Coast for more than 30 years, succeeded in using his father's money to build the largest cathedral in the whole wide world, getting a Yamoussoukro, who later became the capital city of the government territory where the president and where their White House when Yamoussoukro. And where in economic state, how about political state. Rocha the thing. Yes, Ndi Igbo came. Fade road name. The day I went there, I was telling Nigeria that the largest cathedral in the whole world in Africa, other than Ivory Coast, Catholic goers does not believe me because Erigo bring them at the final. They don't believe that good thing can ever come to Africa. I was telling them, showing them the example. Look at the map. Look at the map of St. Peter Basilica na Rome. Look at the map of Basilica, Holy Trinity Basilica. Nke dị na Yamoussoukro Ivory Coast. Na-egosi ya na ife nke a ji weke nke abụ times 2 mmajiri onye na-egosi ya pillar that each single pillar dị na Yamoussoukro dị na the Basilica, Holy Basilica dị na Cathedral na Ivory Coast. This single pillar bụ lift eji agbago elu. Each single pillar. This is pillar of the church. Here pillar church, pillar bụ n'ụka. Na each pillar bụ ihe pillar ọbụla bụ lifter in the inside pillar. Now imagine how large and wide that pillar could be. Agwaghị ihe eji were ndị rụrụ n'ụka bụ ndị Lebanon. Make we hear which country the church help with the church. I don't want to reply people negatively. But Ndi Igbo by the charity say yes. No, I have with the largest mana Pope still remain in the room. When we go for Africa and the Pope, unu kana ejoka. Kai. When we go for Africa and the Pope, unu kana ejoka. I laugh on her. I just laugh on her. Or when you go for Africa, even Father Tansi when nwere nke emere ha mgbe ọnwụrụ ga-eji mebe sent kezi this canon nke anya Anambra Cardinal Nze okwu orugo level ibu pope okwu orugo level Cardinal Nze ibu pope enyere enye even when Cardinal Nze na-ekwe pope n'aka pope ihu pope bịa susuo ndị ọcha ọnụ nna susuo nke ọnụ nna susuo onye nke ọnụ nna rudebe Cardinal Nze na pope ihu unu nchani na-ejecha ụka unu ya afọche all of na all ye workers of iniquities unu nchani na-efochara that mayhem, that evil onye ọbụla bupụ ihu. You will not condemn it because no pope mere ọ bụ na ofu pastor mepere chọọchị ọfụ mere that thing oge ewu n'ụwa niile. Catholic bere na onwu na ebere, Catholic mere na onwu na ebere. No religion nke unu bụ unu believe na religions na Africa unu ka na worship ndị ọcha jere kpụọ Chineke God ebere na Egypt nwee fụ na ụdị Mary esere na Egypt abụrụ the same thing to Mary nke esere na Europe. So Chineke ma ihe unu na worship na Europe na arụsị ndị Europe unu na worship. Only God so Chineke ma ihe unu na worship na Europe ndị Roman Catholic. Only God ma ihe unu na worship. Ne agwaghị na church abụ the number 1 church dị n'Egypt, the number 1 church. They even make that in church because of getting on the ebe Jesus Christ see. How we make unity. We do na Jews gonna worship at the same building never Jesus Christ no. Muslim na worship the same place. Christian na worship the same place. Orthodox the same place. The picture of Jesus Christ is ever and the picture of Mary is ever abroad the same thing with him na afọ. Una hang no no ka. Ndị ọcha jere wete one of their ochie ancient person nwaanyị mara mma were je see foto mee carving mee enlargement pụrụ ebutere ndị Afrịka wee mee gịnị wee rie ndị Afrịka gwogwo. Aba na just who is this person? As in Mary. Say onye nke a Mary bụ onye nke a na-afụ na just ebe ka ndị Europe si weta picture ha sere butere ndị Afrịka onye bụ Mary. Probably Pope amara ebe eniri Mary. Quote me anywhere, I will tell you with full chest. Pope Francis who na amara ebe eniri Mary wota because on Africa ga eniri Mary. Pope who na amara ebe eniri Mary or ma ebe eniri Joseph. Mary has never crossed Europe before in her life. Mary and Joseph and Jesus Christ has never crossed Europe in their life before they die. So onye gara Europe bụ Paul the apostle, and ebe ọ gara Europe ahụ na ọ gara bụ na Athens, which is currently Greece today. And Greece and the Egypt, about 2 hours flight from here to Athens, 2 hours flight. Or just Red Sea here across. Over that time permit me, I'll go to Red Sea, go see Ndi Igbo across, go see Ndi Africa, ebe ha na-eji ụgbọ pepe across Red Sea where I Europe. Because here in Sona, port or in Sona, you can see Red Sea, ga Portugal, you can see Red Sea eba, ga Athens, that is Greece. You can see Red Sea eba, ga more than 4 European countries. They're very close to Egypt here. It's only Paul Boy Jerusalem and Athens and the Rome. Kedebe Jesus Christ will cross one river Niger, to cross one Red Sea, where by Rome. Manum Jeje, Bajien Africa Aka. Eba of Alexander the Great. We have Napoli, Africa, in Haji, where they see no Jesus Christ. No, I have number 1 in Europe. I believe it's not nonsense. I will not travel. Jpac may go travel. And travel made a tango way in 1 naira. I use my money to travel. Nobody sponsors me. I use my money. Whatever I'm buying here, I buy with my money. I didn't go travel for somebody to sponsor me. I change $1. But the poor woman I ever comedy. I poor apartment. They go by the area is our money. We don't get 1 naira. So let nobody just come here. I may sponsor myself. And after today, I'll say after 2 months, I will say come back again. So those places I've never visited before, I will say come there and visit them. Israel is the next place I want to visit, and Ethiopia. Actually, King Besheba. Many of you don't know that King Besheba born in Ethiopia. Ethiopia and Egypt, both the oldest country, civilized country. They were on this colonized land. Mary did not go to Rome. Mary did not travel to Italy. Either Jesus Christ traveled to Rome. Even Joseph himself not even traveled to Rome. But Zemuka Mary's were more. Come Ozue na Rome. Ozue na Israel because how was Egypt after I had King Herod war. How was Egypt where she back to Israel. And that time Moses and Israel and now go back to Israel. Hana go promised land. After Hana go promised land. They now become here but neighboring country one. Egypt na Israel but one. Hey, question Israel Israel was in Africa. Israel supposed to belong in Africa. Israel supposed to be in Africa. But after Hana, after so many years, civilization, I got more Jesus Christ. We have a problem. Oh, back, how will tell that the only country Hana had the number, but their father couldn't have Egypt. They still come back to Egypt, but also then Egypt to be so. King Herod and Achua. Now, Kesika, only we think at Africa, a book here. Okay, have you asked yourself why Donald Trump to make Jerusalem capital city? Donald Trump made it because Donald Trump made on our history. On our history, that capital city Jerusalem on a Bethlehem. Go and ask question. Mana Ndabasa West Africa is today. Ndo charge more one of the best woman in Europe, which is not even Mother Mary, or brother Mother Mary, Catholic in our worship. On the Europe, Jaka, say of photo, more do of here, put it in Africa, say I watch it. Africa is just worshiping a human being, not Bobona, Europe. Over this my message here, I'm happy seeing my friend, Ndi Christian. If they want to leave my page, let them leave my page. The truth shall set everybody free. Say what you know. Imagine how your mouth they shake. Now come to this your comments. I'm gonna gather before you come and bank 2 arguments with me. But flight by yourself. I'm gonna gather to. very nonsense. Yeah, just delete the comment. Somebody who has never traveled. If you want to go into argument with me about come marry you visa, send the enemy marry you visa, carry 300,000. Marry you visa about states, I will not take you around. But Donald Trump would young may by Jerusalem, may capital city. Where were you? Or do you think Donald Trump had a history? Now they can't get Israel, Jeba, General, which is an normal effect. Why not the Canada Europe? Why not the Canada Italy? Why not the Cano and the Italy Rome? No, Ndoka, about the more than the room for Kanja Febaro Sakurabo. They did take Barry on your man and no man if I was Sakurabo, Manogua, Manajan, anything can do Europe. I didn't know Africa. Picture of some saint in Africa. Can he post? I must hear them that our great grandfather. If you want a picture on Europe, those years some of our cheap. I've been worshiping that, but today I can no longer do that. I've been worshiping in Dutcha. Today I can no longer do that. Because I did more than them. Even Europe, even Europe can only more on rooted in Christian. Or I may hug you, they will not hug you. But look at as Egyptian, half one black into it. Hey, where are you from? Where are you from? And then I'm English. Those are understanding. Where are you from? Where are you from? Say, Nigeria. Oh, come on, brother. I will see a small boy of 12 years. Maybe the video, but he's supposed to say, you in Nigeria? No, Nigeria is great. Nigeria is great. Nigeria is great. And I love Nigeria, and it's very, very great. But no one English has said. Ndi Igbo, they are Nigeria, where are you from? Because half of the name on Oka, automatically you're going to their brother. Want to take picture? Oh, photo. Come on. Let's take photo. You, my brother, take the photo. Yeah, or say photo. Money, Gina Pope Benedict, na Pope Francis. Or you could only soon look at Marco Doguntua. The other time, one of the rabbi said, also come. Nurse and the man troop in the upper bishop or Mono Egyptian. On the man, I listen for today's photo. Get that bishop, get a Pope Francis, or yes, photo, even when you are a cardinal, even when Igbo who see or Archbishop. I enable a black, get a bishop, get a Pope, I say photo. Who born you? Get a Pope, you know, next photo. A baby a black. When do we racist no what? Catholic of Roman than Italy. Oh no, joy block, I don't fucking care. I don't fucking care. Mama here, when we get, they believe most of you nah. This traveler, I'm not a traveler, not a woman in Nigeria. Next place, Gawara, Ethiopia. I must be making research. I must tour Africa around before going to that Europe. How will I go to Europe and be worshiping them? I worship in Europe. I was Jesus Christ can I worship. Because some of Jesus Christ in car, goes in car, and they do holy of holies. Jesus Christ never traveled to Europe. Jesus Christ never go to Italy before. Jesus Christ never goes to Italy. Across the Red Sea. All the miracles now also. All the whole miracle in was not done in Europe. No miracle was done in Europe. The burning bush is in Africa. Up to date, to go to that place now, the burning bush is still in existence. All the whole mountain, can you see any mountain? Do you know that the highest place you can go and collect power on a mountain? When whenever you have mountain in Europe is oh mommy water water worship the Christians, worship Mary. Oh, I'm worship Mary. Take my message to any religion and anybody. Don't consign me. I don't care. I don't worship man. If I do after traveling to after this my tour and I did not tell Nigerians the truth, or I did not tell anybody the truth, man, God will punish me. Because actually many people now here say Buddha and say photo, make video na kobo. Man, something na Nigeria. Iye nyakata onyinye n'ụlọ ụka. Ị ga-enyekata onyinye. Okay, Europe get mountain. Yes, fine and good. I want a mountain in Europe. But ebe bụ original recognized mountain in Africa. Mountain Ararat, all in Africa, supposedly in Africa. Mountain Ararat is the mountain Obo Nua Osere. But mmiri zoro on that mountain Ararat or Osere. The same Obo can be two times. Opro, I don't know test Bamulas, now called Bochi. In your brand, was Jpac verify is still there. Mountain Ararat, the same Ubaha, hanging Ugwa is still there. Sorry, Everest, sorry, not Ararat. Mountain Ararat, kind of team and Everest. Sorry, Mountain Ararat, Mountain Everest is in Europe. Mountain Ararat, I know what I'm saying. Mountain Everest is in Europe, but Mountain Ararat is in Africa. Back, Obo no hanging water. Mukata Mountain, where mountain, the miraculous mountain, and today. Egyptian, there. Muslim, there. Hindus, there. Chinese, there. He, on what any religion na have in a Mukata Mountain. Ndi scientists made discovery. We talked through that mountain actually moved from its origin. Na Ramses, move from Ramses to Mukata. That mountain actually in existence. All that place I flying rope diving. I made rope diving. You know, oh my God. Muslim Jakade crisis coming soon. Muslim, not me, not even Christian. Because the president of this country, be Muslim. Nke ọbụla bụ nke ndị Muslim a na-edozie, nke ndị Jewish a na-edozie, nke ndị Christian a na-edozie, everything a na-edozie, everything. Nigeria pastors esi Nigeria gba flight ebe obodo a, ha bụ obodo a ha ese foto kpee ekpere kuru mmiri a kịta laa were mmiri na-eme miracle na-anara ndị mmadụ ego were mmiri ịgbatara free. Ọ sị gị bịa ṅụrụ mmiri ndụ nke si n'igwe bịa n'ụwa. Unu na-agụ ya egwu na akpịrị agaghị akpọrọ nke ọzọ. Ọ mmiri aha ka that way life right jere taa ka a na-ese ama m nwaanyị na-eze ọsị ọ esi ya ya bịa ka a kụrụ ya mmiri ndụ ọsị na mmiri ọ na-aṅụ mmiri ihe ọsị ka o kụ ya mmiri ndụ ọsị mmiri ndụ ya bịa ka o zie ozi nke ọsị ọbụla ụwa. Mana pastors bịa ka ị na-afụ ma rabai ụmụcha ndị afọ ọnụ ha dịchala this totoma ndị Egypt ụmụcha ndị kwuji ihe ine ya na forehead ebe otu oge anya nọ Muslim nchọka afọ ọnụ ha acha ịnwụ nke abịa ifo iche na Peter dị asọ nchọka ha sị kwụcha n'ala everybody na-eme accordingly ekwu na line ntụ orute ọnụ gị enye gị ihe well kai God enye gị well ije sere mmiri ndụ enye gị sere no 1 naira no kobo. When I was asking my friends, yeah, ego ni kana haja ba ticket. I said no, I just don't have a ticket. We were anyamo funo nya ene katara history nene ka patient. We fwe anemu maazi ba da. Everybody do want baptism. Eba hana ha egwu shit there. If what is scary, man ha ba this dossier which is civilization, but dossier 3-year class cover. It will be able to for cotton. White cotton cover like this. If we cover like this, you know, I say no. I say, na holy place. You don't talk. You don't talk. You know, but I say everybody na but and they do why you. He name me photo. I say don't talk. Don't small. He put by ignorant to if you don't touch. My Netherlands, my Greece, my Spain, my Tanzania, my China, my Hong Kong, every part of the world, you ever remember listen to Sebulutana. Ever and the people I have that for that answer. You don't talk. You say you may photo, video, but don't cross that place. And even the guide, police don't cross that place. Ever had Jesus also anybody Jesus Christ, and I cross you don't cross that place. And I'm holy of holies. You can only put your neck, name, say photo, but you cannot cross that line. because amaghị ebe isi na imere mmehie wee bata die na ijerara nwaanyị wee bata die amaghị ihe imere wee bata die achọghị ịmụ onye ịbụ mana ndị Nigeria pastor na-eje ebe ahụ see foto sekpuru na ekpere were bọtụ were galọn kuru mmiri ekuru nata Nigeria ha bata were mmiri akịta gbaa na drum omisie ọghọ mmiri nsọ a na-ere anụ n'ọhịa and ihe ọbụla gbasara ihe ụka na Nigeria bụ money sika money mmiri nsọ money ekpere money ihe niile money ịfụkwu counseling ịfụ pastor money ihe ọbụla Nigeria money obodo enweghị pastọ ihe nwere onye isi nchụaja anaghị enye onyinye n'obodo a gọọmenti na-eji aka ha edozi chọọchị gọọmenti na-eji aka ha edozi everything kedu ebe na-eji enye onyinye o nwere pillar ancient pillar na that place. When I was crossing that pillar, because here Japan the guide the book, here I be about maybe here nsọ because how my country over now we care a mama as the so when you are entering that place, they will assign one person for you. Over that group, I money assign. You know, guide you see eba, who is neighbor, gaiba. I get assigned room 1 or 2 we are guide you. The guide man na guide them. Easily, but also know this pillar. And no more than 1,000 years. And that pillar, Jesus Christ is not also that baby do like this. I be better. As everybody do be, I get a do I be better. So, if you Ndi Egypt to marry, Ndi Egypt will be able to take glass. Don't worry, all this in the next plan. I will in the video, I have the video. But my problem with my fans, they don't watch my video. And I check on my wall. But I believe through Christ by the King, who you watch this video, they will in the video. Bro, here in Nakoroga now, all the documentary, all the video. Aging phone now, hunting the phone, name and not document, save file. That pillar, Ndi Igbo to Jaka, how we with a glass thickness here and two. Glass thickness here at and two. We will wear the same buru. Now, that pillar, we will wear where would the pillar so that I can marry a leader to that pillar. Every single place being this man called Christ is Zoroba. Ndane dozi anaha ema no bana na ego mas na Ndi Igbo ji achu ego. The only place Ndi Igbo ji achu ego bu all this pyramid and museum and maybe all this pyramid shaped museum here those one day. Who was saying yeah wonders of Egypt nke a haroro onye maka ha na ego mana kwefuru nke ha bụ nke bụ ọkpụtọrọkpụ nke Christ ha na ha na 1 kobo. Unless that's outside try to spiritual outside go bezi akwụkwọ ma book which ma na ị ga-akwụ ụgwọ onye ndị ha na zụrụ ndị a na-achọzi igozi ihe spiritual ma ointment ma oyi mana kwefuru ebe ahụ anaghị akwụ kobo. Ịbata ebe ahụ ikpesi ekpere ntu a ya dedicate onwere underground ị na-aba ebe ahụ gwara atọ ihe abụọ underground okwute ebe nibere baby Jesus ebe ba asịrị kwụsị ebe a efucha ma ndị Thailand ma ndị China eseburu isi ala ntu a mana ịmụgo ha na-ekpesi na their own language ha si wee ghọta ekpesi ekpere ha pụọ mana ihe njide egbe this video bụ na n'ụdị ihe a dị na Nigeria pastor yi ka jigide out even today Nigeria pastor na-esi ebe a bịa obodo a were mmiri obodo a na Nigeria na-eresi members of the church were kụọ na mmiri dị na tank were ofu ihe agata mmiri a gbatara distance 6 bottle water agata dị 6 on my own part ebe gbatara nke 4 big bottle water mana mmiri agata Nigeria pastor esi nta were mmiri a na jee na tank yeah, dear tank. They may be explain. Then a tank every on tour. Here 20,000 liters. Nigeria pastor is usually saying that ban 20,000 liters. Because someone I'm really holy. I'm not holy water go. Ojo buy ya man, or buy ya when they receive the members of the church. Now anointing water.
Media kata, I will still show you. Even if you know normal but what about normal what? Yeah, for every video kata. Oh, you do part 1, part 2, part 3, part because auto go. So I cannot upload 20-something minute video once. So I got the boring. So money email badge by badge. The badge, ebe Jesus Christ said no, ebe ha gbara ọsọ gbata, ebe ha bi. In fact, ebe ha bi before ha no share back to Egypt. Video nke a dị iche one. The video ebe ni olden matters arabai ndị isi nchụaja n'ọrụ Egypt before ha nashi ya back to Israel. Ebe endiri ha ọ dị video nke a dị iche. Then another video again about the entrance and the documentation of ihe ndị ọzọ. Ọ ga-adị 3 part 1, part 2 and part 3. So I will post it. Gị nwa ihe eme just nye m your ear. Nye m ntị gị. Probably got watch video. We hear na what the abras. You can know everything. Maybe there's media. At a point, it's the media will run them mad because mother can't be too much. More because this and not about in Dutch and about and this and not about body woman. Never knows about this. If you do me, you go go them. Many times in Nigeria, me I will have been 1 year. Ịchọ ka mgbatara gị mmiri send the ego and I send nye m ego don't pay me ka yarịsị na mụ na anaghị ego onwe na ana 1 naira anyị jere ebe a free so izikwa m dị mmemekwara gị free I'm not collecting 1 naira. Ịchọ ka mgbatara gị dị mmiri ihe ihe emegara bụrụ ihe enye m ego ụba ihe m sọsọ ego ụba sọsọ 500 Egyptian pounds ọ galakwa ha ọnụ enwegara anụ pounds ọ galakwa pounds gaba 35 naira, 36 naira. 1 Egyptian pounds about 36 naira. So I got a horn. So you never go back to general. About trying also 1 bottle because SS luggage are too much. John Madi Igbo Ibuaro, Mbatanjetazie, Batazie Mano, Igbo Ibuaro, Mbuzana was over SS luggage in the airport. So I would only fetch 1 because of luggage. Because I don't know how many people that will send me to go. I don't know how many people that will send me to 1 Egyptian pounds about 36 naira, 33 naira, 34 naira, 35 or stable. So you were a calculator of APR 33 naira times 300 times 200 at times 6,000 naira by 200 naira, 200 Egyptian pounds, maybe 6,000 naira or 6,000 something naira. So 500 Egyptian pounds should be 6,000, 12,000, should be that's 20,000 naira. So so you know 500 Egyptian pounds, each overall European pounds. Do you know no Buddha Abuzo used to be pounds and shilling before the Europe? Doubt. Can you doubt me? Join the Europe. Can you doubt me? No Buddha Abuzo used to be pounds and shillings. Buddha Abuzo use the pounds and shillings. Do you know? No, you don't know. Na man Ndi Igbo may adopt. There's a tip as 0 pounds ndo Buddha calling value. Until I can be Europe, man, I got my year. Buddha fake in olden days shillings. I said na that 20 pounds shillings. Judas, nearly 20 pounds shillings. Manu Buddha will use the pounds shillings. Buddha will use the pounds shillings before Europe may adopt 3 pounds from Buddha. Let me go say idea. Yeah, I got about 200 pounds. Yesterday, all their president Caesar, Egyptian pound, 200 Egyptian pounds. Which 50 pounds. Okay, 5 pounds. If you put the tower, if Asian tower, Asian Tower. If there is a fair 100 pounds. The job goes where this one and so for Gabazier. Obodo Abuja use the pounds before Ndi Europe in Kenya. So have you asked yourself, can country and colonize and make colonization? Yeah, colonization in this world. Ask yourself, then if you can argument. Egypt, when they colonized Egypt, yana Egypt na Ethiopia. Egypt na Ethiopia bụ nwanne mana ha mechara n'ọgbọ ọgụ ihe a na ha dabara ha mana ọ dị nka ha setụlụgo ihe dịrị ha enwero etu esi na asị na ndị Europe bịara British bịara colonize ya nọ ndị a ochie ancient ịfụcha ihe ejicha anụcha ọgụ ebe ahụ ochie ube na mma so mana ịchọzie ka ngodoziere gị like golden cup ka mụ ọji aka ngoro nke a bụ ancient cup asara asa ihe atara nchara mana eji chemical sabazie sapụ like this Ethiopia evena ka nke ngoro here my sacred cup oh shit here my sacred cup oh here ka ya bụ ebute eketa ga n'ihu na ụka ebunye elu like this na nke a bụ arụ na ọbara Jesu amen ewere gbara gị ego na me I don't buy am onye nwanyị nọnyere unu nọnyerekwara gị ya ka m meji na mmiri from today nke a kịta bụ ya stone precious stone precious stone onye nke agụgbọla na-ere bụ osisi mgbe na agụgbọla ya nye m ego ka m gotere ya ezigbo onye n'obodo a nke ahụ agụgbọla na-ere bụ osisi atụrụ atụ taa bụ okwute o nwere color by color o nwere okwute ọ bụla i wetara ha nwa na refine okwute a ha nwere white stone ha nwere black stone ha nwere red stone any stone ọ bụla ha gwute na mmiri ha na-eje na engine refine nwee taa were ṅụọ mmiri maka ndị na-eche ka enye m poison enyewo poison ya bụ ochie okwute mgbe ochie ancient rock a ga-eji refine so ọ nke njetere Egypt iweta ego ngotere gị 1,500 Egyptian pounds ọ gara ọnụ ịghọtara enweta eje dekwe n'elu abụrụ ha oge adị ka kọpụ traditional nwoke dị jekwaje kwuchiekwe ọ stone ka ọ ancient. I nwekwara ụdị ha na Nigeria. We have this kind of thing in Nigeria, but the problem is say ị ga-afụ ndị na-eme nka na ụzụ na Nigeria. Government can never ever support them. Government cannot support them. Ndị na-eme nka na ụzụ. Government cannot support them. Mana obodo a kịta ya afụcha jichara everything niile. Oh, greeting from Spain nwanne m nwoto Uchenna nna anya mepe na biko no ndị mmejọrọ gbaghara m. Christianity mbụ ha na gafe ha na nke ancient Christianity, ancient early Christian, we call them early Christians. Obodo a kịta Christian obodo a onye gbasara ha na gay mana Christian ndị Europe ji aka ha weta signature sign n'ọrụ unu na nwoke ga na-ara nwoke unu foche n'ụlọ ụka unu asị na abụ na anyị ama akọtọ ya Chineke tere mmanụ n'udu na onye Chineke tere mmanụ anaghị eji ọkụ mmụọ n'udu na onye Chukwu tere mmanụ anaghị eji ọkụ anyị na-akọtọ ya Chineke tere mmanụ na pope bụ onye isi okwucha ha na-ekwuchago so pope na-eji ọkụ mmụọ esoro m pope jebe ọkụ mmụọ ekwucha ha na-ekwuchaga gaga nga pope na-amaghị ụzọ Egypt pope na-amaghị ụzọ Israel kemgbe a na-anwụ n'ọgụ n'Israel evugebe pope kwuru okwu na ọgụ a nọ n'Israel okwunugo okwue omekwue mana ọ ga-eje sọpọtụ ndị Palestine ndị Afghanistan na ndị Arab ndị ISIS ọ ga-eje sọpọtụ cheje niile a enukwebe okwu dị okwu omekwu ndị na because ọma nke bụ ezigbo Christianity. Ọma enwere Christianity of early Christian, nwee Christianity of idolatry. Ihe butere na Nigeria bụ Christianity of idolatry. Don't ask me where is Ken. I want to Ken nga. Don't make lock Ken. Ken. The Satan will come out from the trenches and say the truth. Come out, say the truth, no matter who it may offend. Pope, I'm a heavy Mary. Pope did see to behave Jesus Christ, Jesus Christ. Or I don't also know Egypt. You know in the history of Pope in Egypt. On my history on AJ, and then Africa say, Africa, Asia, or no. Bia worship be onye kpọrọ Africa asị. Onye kpọrọ Africa asị. Kpọọ Africa asị. Ifunugo ebe o kwuru maka Boko Haram. Na ifunugo ebe o kwuru maka ihe na-egbusi ndị Christian na Nigeria. O mekwue ndị arụrụ ala. Na-eji ụka na-egwu nwayo. Ka m fụọ ya ekwuchi m ntị again. Ka m ị na-ekwu oturu m Bible, na-ekwu oturu gị history. Because history came job, I'm taking them more than a holy place. Nobody can do, no priest in Nigeria can do guy for me again. Nobody can lay hand on my head. Jesus said, do Jesus Christ, you come by house of them there. A bar he liberate Jesus Christ. As you go more there. So, okay, here Pastor Yabazim again. Okay, what's in Pastor go tell me again? Can you hear Bishop Yagame again? Can you hear what will I say? Can you hear Evangelist Yagame again? Before Babo who confront from me, their bad flight, you just saw baby the Mary. That Mary whom you claim you worship, go there for original Mary. If you the original Mary, no bro, yeah, the Europe. Europe na worship Baro sin and I say it again. Screen record what I am saying. As long as Europe, because here now worship in Africa, but idolatry. No apology. If you want to follow me, bye bye. Thank God if you unfollow me today. People that get sense will follow me back. People that love what I am saying will follow me back. So I'm no more chasing clouds again. I'm no more chasing clouds. And be abamba because follow him. Adama yo because follow them. If you cannot buy my truth and post your video tomorrow, they can watch your video till the end. As long as you watch your video, you buy me ego. Open up buy me ego, I watch now. But you watch your video, you will follow, but then again, no, for things. Early Christians, if you want to practice that Christianity, come, let us practice early Christianity. Let us practice early Christianity. In as much as now, those people need who know the Egyptian you see today, you not see them no more. These people were steady lights for decades. Occupy non-stop. The people I cast Satan and I cast sequence na Sahara Desert. Okay, Jebe, Olulu, Ebogana, and why I mentioned it, Hanamacabequensu, Tapa. Ubudar has me here. Nothing like speaking in tongue. Pata. Ruku. Set, Why yo? 419. Ekwensu na cast na Sahara Desert. Gazi can go to the Sahara Desert and I cast Ekwensu. Careful, need to go to Sahara Desert. Ekwensu na Aba Club na Sahara Desert. Ndo Buda. Ekwensu na cast na Sahara Desert. Bia can go to the president to those in the Sahara Desert or the tourist place. Before you enter that Sahara Desert, na cast Ekwensu, you must pay 250 Egyptian pounds. How about the ticket? Yeah, but look at MJ. We tell you the ticket. It was 1 minute. Okay, here. Okay. Never, need tickets. 400. 450 Egyptian pounds. 450. Need tickets. Eba na cast ekwensu. I cast you. Go to Sahara Desert. Eba na cast ekwensu. President to Buda Baba dozie eba na cast ekwensu. Ekwensu na agba kilomita. Na agbechara mmadụ be egwu. Ọkụ dị n'ime Sahara Desert. Ndị akwagidere ụzọ kwa ụzọ n'ekpa. Ruo train station na Sahara Desert. Link ya country to Saudi Arabia. Na aka ụka. Link ya country to Saudi Arabia. Ọkụ obodo na Amarachukwu. Ka anyị kpee ekpere. Anyị chọrọ ikpe ekpere ka anyị kpere ndị Israel ekpere. Mugu. Okoku na Israel na-ekpere ekpere na-abụ ha na-ekpekwa ekpere. Israel niile bucha AK. Ha bucha ngwa ọgụ n'ukwu. Bucha ngwa ọgụ n'ukwu. They defend their religion. Onye ọbụla bucha ekwentị n'ukwu. Buru ekwe n'ukwu. Ha na-ekpe ekpere maka obodo na-ama ha Chukwu ka ha mara Chukwu. Arịrịọ ọsebụrụ aka Chukwu dị asọ. Onye na-akpere anyị. Ebe mkpa na-akpa anyị. Ọ na-asọkwa anyị. Ebe abịbịa dị elu na abịa ndị ụtọ na-agaghị abịa. Ka anyị kpee ekpere maka ndị Rọshia ka ha mara Chukwu. Obodo na-amara Chukwu ka. Who is that? Huh? Okay, Pampa. Ka anyị kpee ekpere maka ndị mba Rọshia. Obodo na-amara Chukwu ka ha mara Chukwu. Soro n'oge ikpeazụ ka ha keta okike na alaeze n'igwe. Rọshia ị na-ekpe ekpere ka ha mara Chukwu na-arụ nuclear weapon. Na-arụ achọghị m ị ga-akpọ those weapon aha afa because of Facebook. Ha na-arụ akụrụngwa eji ala obodo n'iyi. Obodo agata efu Egypt nwere one of the best armed force. Egosiri military might ndị Egypt. Nigeria TC agba Nigeria under 1 hour. Onye a na-amaga Nigeria tinye isi n'obodo a ka ha ma aka under 1 hour Egypt agba ndị agakpalakụkụ. Ha nwere military might ndị abụrụ military might ụmụazị. Okay, mpanụ AC nọ na hot season na ụdị onye na-eme video for hours ọzọgode ebe na AC dị ebe a iwu mere na heat ya eme ihe dị ebe only one AC dị na palọ here, one AC nọ n'ime room and I cannot go inside room because the light is very very dark, so AC dị anya ọnọghị na Nigeria nnọgode ebe AC Ford ihe a na-ekwu bụ strength ka m na-ekwu okwu yọta wifi ka m na-use ibute wifi free wifi iti 100 pounds or last year. Iti Wi-Fi 100 pounds or last year. Actually, is everything cheap. It's very, very cheap here. Is about 45 pounds. A blue bagide. And I just say today by the Jenya na 45 pounds. Obudobu che meme. If but every citizen need to CID everywhere. Because they are paying them well. Everybody, he can never see them a blue AK-47. How in Nigeria can able to church here? Hey, what do you have in your bag? What do you have? Nigeria is too protective. In Africa, had a protective. Na the war. Mano ripping na wayo can they rip them money. Ezu, come. Let me talk sense into you because Igbo can you see? If this Igbo can you see? Iburu nage nnukwu mpagi be Ezugo n'isi. I don't think that things yera ago yena. Ezugo, I wish you can come on live video. Come ejego travel and I will come back to Nigeria. I will not remember where I am. I won't remember the country I am. I will come back. If I come back, stay like 1 month or 2 months, I will relocate to another country. I go to like 3-4 countries in Egypt to put ancient kingdom in Africa. Mana obodo enweghị eme ihe na-erefu n'obodo a 12 Egyptian pounds. Amam na ọtọ ihe na-ekwu obodo enweghị mana ihe na-ere fuel ha 12 Egyptian pounds. So see here, we have exotic car. Exotic car. The president of the whole country, Bonyame, a military man, the president of the whole country, he holds a botonabo. President of the whole country, the Jibotonabo, and Mutu Yana Hakare Corolla 2024. President Yabana traffic, bar break, or Attire, President Chere, Okonyamio, only power mana, Onyamia Nese, citizen. Every president no Buddha Nese, citizen, because each citizen will tell you nature of man, Konechi Hoffman. I only was citizen Yawagi, nature of man, nature Hoffman. President Yan on to actually when the Manaka, he will able no go about is able black and the no go about only Egypt Razo. The president and I'm doing video now. Only president Yamage because we able black, neighbor Egyptian. J. Konya is only do Egyptian, they are president. Or maybe buzo line by line. Each other is a photo. Say you want to say because I'm going to America. No snap picture, say take you, say do video. How are you? Where are you from? He said you're from Africa. Where are you in Africa? So equal, Kenya or Zimbabwe. So fine, what do you come here to do? On I got interaction. Here one president na gare with motorabo. President na gare with motor na bagare no obodo. You will know. If you tomorrow say Ndi Igbo suit, teacher Igbo nuku. The teacher say checkpoint. You not given a president na ga. Obodo military might, but she military might. You see camera everywhere. You can never see high tension anywhere in Egypt. Egypt is only 7 states. You have high tension. Everything in the pipeline. Internet pipeline, fuel pipeline, gas pipeline, oil pipeline. Everything in the you can never see anything. Gota pipeline. Our country na Mahachugu. Country Mahajugu. As you go, but here, come with a screwdriver for pegging Hobunte. With a screwdriver, days you go and enter 14 spanner with it or peggy Hobunte. So that whenever you want to defend anything, where you go by travel. So little and not like you, maybe some people know. But in a moment, don't use it and create enmity. Omenala na Christian, but one have one. If Egyptian, Hindus, Hebrew, Muslim, and Christian can worship in one place where Jesus Christ was laid, then why no Omenala, no Oka, am I united together? Can we find a why no Omenala, no Oka, am I come together with the ideology? I do see by that is my topic. Omenala bring within including the Omenala. Don't insult the Christians. Christians within including the Christians. Don't insult the Omenala. Let us come together, unite as one body, because I and our Igbo. We are all Igbo speaking country. We are all Igbo speaking nation. Onye bu Christian, efu ihe onye mere na-ekwu n'eziokwu, ejina because na ihe nwere ihe na-defend, support that thing with full great force. Like somebody like me, I said, if I come back to Nigeria, aga m eje gasị mmeje Arochukwu, mbata na mmeje Arochukwu, mmeje Aguleri, mmeje Mri, mmeje all those museum, Igbo museum. I will visit all all those places niile. Ngache ebe na adịrọ mma will make video. Can go to tax now. I wish the government of Anambra Minister of Tourism and Culture, Minister of Tourism and Culture, then can do better if an other Anambra State, if an other Igbo, Kuno for yes yadi. But dear, in Africa, na bahani the rentabo. Let us join hands together, make campaign. gọọmenti tinyeke n'anya na tourism. Anyị enwere tourism atọ. Anyị enwere tourist place. Ọ bụrụ na anyị nwere mana anyị ha eruo na aja eti ọsịcha na mana anyị nwere Enugu cave, ancient Enugu cave. Ekwesịrị beautify that place. Why ebe ahụ ọkụ, tie ya security, tie ya army, tie ya police. Ọkụ na-enwe 24 hours. Ọ bụrụ na gọọmenti light ọkụ Nigeria eru ebe a, etie ya private solar or private dam. Ọkụ na-enwe na Enugu cave. Ebute ebe ahụ kwụọ 5,000 naira ije see foto. Ego under 2 years, gọọmenti will recover ego ha spend wee dozie that cave. Anyị nwere ebe Ojukwu Bonkre na Abia steeti ma na Imo steeti. Ekwesịrị idozi ebe ahụ edozi. All those things bụ gịnị? Ancient ihe mere mgbe a nụrụ agha, which might or will attract Europeans to come to Nigeria. And probably what attracts Europeans, what will attract many foreigners to come to your country. Do you know that if whites start coming to Anambra, Imo, Enugu, now but because of tourists? Number one, hotel. Hotel can you. I don't know because if they're coming, they will come in dollar and they will change their money in naira. Back in my country, I go use net to do program for. What are you from? It's Nigeria. I said, okay. He just said, how much is it? I said, $50. I said, time is sure no, $50 a day. How much under about tourists? How much are you going to pounds? I said, $50. Because even after dollars, nobody here. I don't use dollar, I use pounds. I use Egyptian pounds. Tell me the price in Egyptian pounds, I will pay you in Egyptian pounds. I said, no, let's use the dollar. I said, time is sure. Do you eat dollar here? Do you eat dollar here? You eat Egyptian pounds. The Wahala is crossing international airport. The Wahala goes start. As you come and end obodo Igbo, but obodo Igbo no, I don't think you want a good experience in the African. Egyptians are the worst scam in the world. I'm going to scam. When do Buddha was scam? I don't know. I have a task of religion where was I when there are scam or I wouldn't be with a scam. Or I had a help with you. Or I had a help with you with your key. No car will. I have a good task of religion and the history and alongside it's just a task of religion anyway. Nekwe send the Arame go now, can go to let nobody just say, Jpac, hey, but Egypt, when he hinges, but I'm a baby came here. I did my prayer here, and my own prayer, and a baby holy city, holy land. When he had now, Zutara Made. When he now, Zutara Made, saw he see Egypt, he said the Arame go change the pounds and go to the me go Mansi and I back across all airports in Egypt. Na Cairo, Oga, when they were telling me, even my biscuits. Or I go tell them here. So each all, but I want to ask them buy this for me. Yes. Here I got a secret oil. Here I broke Nigeria. Here I broke mono. Here I broke. They want to go olive oil. Nothing like the oil here, but the secret oil. They go to that. Now, see that. Oil, cedar, frankincense, na kwa original cedar. Iwere ihe akata ntu iwere miss ya na abo oil la miss ye ka abo mmanụ goya. Iwere nje ohi abro goya oil bro abro san ka olive oil, nothing like olive oil no that when you do olive oil. Na ihe bụ oil mmanụ atere Jesus Christ no ọkpa. Mmanụ ahụ eji wee massage ọkpa. Ke nke ọzọ. Na ebe Inusi here na akpọ precious care oyila or Mary Magdalene si na sida oyi Mary Magdalene na ebe wote etu a emetụgara ahụ ebi if it goes atas if it goes na anọ if it goes with oil here sida direct efre na original efre ihu na-ekpogodi n'ahụ ifu nke a gbasị nọ mmanụ gara lụọ na asị na mmanụ na-eso isi ụtọ ọ bụrụ anointing oil ka o ji abụ goya na ya anointing oil ebe consider iweta eketa ime isie with this one ma jai iwere ewe mụ ihe ọkụ tii kandụl na-eme ekpere ọ sị do Christian do Egyptian practice Christianity ka ezi ndị bụ Christian bịa gwa ha ebe ezi eji goya eme gịnị ka
n'obodo anụnwa goya oyi ihe eji eme eji eghe akwa were na-eme stew akwa ka eji eghe n'obodo a eji eghe akwa ụmụ ihe chips all these things ọ ihe eji ana m akọwa goya oyi nke a na-eyuzu na nke a na-adịna na bọtụl na be anyị ọ stew ka eji eme eji eghe Irish potato eji eghe chips
barbecue
barbecue ọ ihe eji dị oil eme adịghị eyuzu for any deliverance or anything so ihe eji eme bụ
obodo a na-eme Christian ka ha na-eme Christian
mba na
ke ndị bụ Christian n'isi
obodo a ọ Christians
ọ bụ Egyptian
Egyptians so ha bụ Christians
ebe a kịta bụ holy place na-akịta Egyptian enwere Muslim nwee Hebrew nwee Christian nwee Hindu nwee all the religion in one place ya
ihe niile ahụ ha nche niile the whole religion nọcha dị ya ha na-agacha dị ekuru mmiri ha na-agacha dị ego everything na-esere ma ndị Muslim
now ọgwa nke a bụ the original oil ha ji eme ekpere ebe
confirmation nke a bụ original oil
ya oil ya dị na Nigeria
emetụghị oil ya na-arụ for complete 1 week arụghị ka na-esi the oil.
This is anointing
very
oil.
Very solid.
Ha ji eme ekpere. Okay, let me shock you. Maybe you feel na the packet ebe. The packet here. Nazareth oil. Nazareth
oil.
Yeah, Nazareth, Bethlehem, Jerusalem. Nazareth oil, Bethlehem, Jerusalem. Yeah, boy, see that.
Don't spoil our anointing oil.
You don't spoil our. Ndị Nigeria nwere anointing oil.
No, dịka iwe wekwana go truth ka m na-agwakwa gị. Dịka iwe we Nigeria. Eziokwu ka m na-ekwu.
Oil. Original iweta oil agata. A na-eji nwayọọ.
Emepe ya.
Nwayọọ.
Wee kpakepụta ya.
Ọ gara ọnụ. Adịghị eji nke esi nri.
Mba.
Mana pastọ ga-ama agwa gị.
Okay.
We chemicals. Yes, the oil. To tell you how harsh. He was just here.
Ọ dụrụ mmiri na ọ na-anyatụ anya dị ka ihe na. Si am. Lepe ọ na-agbapụta. Oke oil. If
goes to Goa. Udugari have frankincense. Even here in Dakar, olive oil is for frying egg. Udugari have complete frankincense. That oil had to use a babu frankincense na genekwa. Nke a bụ for strictly for prayers. He were into a name holy prayers, holy. More joy Nigeria about because the this and daughter shagra skin into honor or the hash. If not have direct oil from cedar. So Kamada Arema you are not olive oil put me another again. Or the whole Indian they didn't know about olive oil here. Papa KG na tipe na nylon kara na ngiri cho inye ego ngotere iji ba ego hapu e maybe when I will go back to Egypt obodo agada one the best cement in the whole world. You know go now let me shock you. Dangote na abia by buru cement ya eresi unu. Dangote na abia obodo steady iburu cement a na-eresi unu
Confirmation.
Any license, Nigeria government name license cement. Nigeria government name license cement. And when in contact, you put 10 containers of cement.
More than.
With that money.
More than.
And when contact in Docha, Oboda, Ndi Egyptian, but the diplomats, you workload 10 containers, then they ship room 10 containers of cement. More government of Nigeria, the worst. Maybe going to cement over there. 1,000 or 500. Yes, they go by. You change your nego by. You change your nego by here, the cement over there. Here, I call that.
No, 1,002.
Nego by.
Nego by.
Ego by cement, nego by more than I would change ego by 1,200 naira. Now, next stage.
800.
Now, people are follow up. People will get maybe also than Nasias. Cement, no, but that nego by 1,200 naira. That is why now American companies general Buddha, foreign companies will also Buddha. My bank, not to Buddha, now skyscraper. Bank and actually 300 skyscraper now. Government they invited foreigners to come and rebuild their country. Bank actually more than 300 skyscraper. The idea in 6 months that 300 skyscraper become well done. And they raise flat by flat. And because cement is cheap, and the cement into but I would take so when I win and lose 1 PM of block. Cement here with a war bridge where war fly over. If see for cement, palm iron, never there for their wall hana be what's a man. Over cement Akora Nigeria.
Cement 95%, Agile 5%.
And they use Agile with that. Maybe tip up branch.
And I call the car here.
Emana tip and a trailer came when you build that. I am after the trailer. But I just we do also number 1 PM. Abane. Trailer about only 5 hours. So what the Hana sees if open sees no could do trailer.
You pack
a back or a pack.
A pack. I won't tell you Jabenga.
That, oh Jesus Christ. Trailer, you can never see how would the filling station man you would be no if for trailer about the more flow the gas. But you more flow gas about 2, 3
midnight.
Hana, you don't know where she will be done where for or course a bomb and a series of your back. They know so they will seize your motor for life. But if you're in Nigeria, tell them go to the sea from my papa block videos or shodi. All the whole highway in Nigeria, tell them go to that. Everything, tell a bua, tell a leader in Nigeria down one truck, block Lagos, block nowhere for parking. Nigeria is high.
Go on a president now on a traffic.
Oh, but Nigeria, the senator
president now on a traffic.
Senator na bio, senator Nigeria na bio boda, jira aba. Ana ndị ba anyị na-eji ya make ego na. Ndị senator bio boda ha na akwari onwe ha ugwu because onye dachiri the escort. Who give you escort? So president dey escort. President dey bu siren. So ndị na-ebu siren bụ emergency hospital.
So only them.
So hospital will keep and they have a way of traffic. And the traffic have with their own road high cigar. Every emergency come have other roads boga. So they book siren. President no fit blow siren. We present a governor. Governor church into I general go to church we check here. Away from the Iri £1 million. Iri ego. And I hate beg it. Pay prison. A banner life imprisonment straight. That is why I make campaign no but the hand Madam Harper that's not a president. Ofonye pro president natch who name oppose. I say because
problem dị n'ọchịchị ebe a dị too much. Echi ya na-amaghachi a ga-egbu gị ozugbo chap chap. Ha na ha chi. Bridge a dị ebe ni, how many months did you order that bridge? That bridge a na-eji anụ kọfị n'abalị, ka na-eje kịta n'abalị a. How many months did you order that coffee? That bridge?
4 months.
Bridge na ihe abụ.
Ọbụrụkwa so ofu.
Bridge na ihe agata abụ and height ya dị ka isi ntu a ruo 5-story building.
No,
tall.
It's more than.
Na ọ dị isi na ana.
O chekwa ebe 12
or 6-story building top na height ya. Mana bridge ahụ erughị 4 months. Arụcha street light rụchapụ everything. Commission ọkwa another place. Ife a na-eme bụ nke gọọmenti ya arụ gọọmenti arụọ, nke gọọmenti na-ha arụ bankị pụta bankị si na ha na-arụ bankị gọọmenti enye ha ana. Gọọmenti nye bankị ya na World Bank ma ọ dị ma Afri Bank enye ha ana. Ha chere more than 500 ọ bụrụkwa 1-story building ọ bụrụkwa 3-story building. Ihe bankị na-achere from 100-200 buildings of 12-story building. Ịma ndị egwu ọ dịka asị na Nigeria ka obodo a ji ego.
Foreign contractor adị arụ ụzọ.
They no bond them well. Look on the only capital obi bịara obodo a wee nyenecha wee kwuo si na anyị chọọ ka anyị grow. Obodo a China na obodo a.
Na ndị Germany ka abịa rụọrọ anyị bridge. When Egyptians bụ ndị na-arụ their own bridge.
Egyptians
their own road.
They just ha arụ ụzọ.
They mix them with military and civilian.
Okay.
Ka e wee rụọ the ụzọ, rụọ the bridge.
Ị na-arụ ọrụ nso enye contract ndị apụta ebe a na-arụ ọrụ ndị amị amount ebe a na-agbanitor.
Yes.
Ndị amị.
Enye contract of 2 months. After 1 week, they send ndị amị. Abịa check ihe na-arụ. Ha alakwa. Imagine just unexpected. Ndị amị atụọ monitor ife ị na-eme. Ha nakwa. After 2 weeks, ha dọkwa monitor ife ị na-eme. Ha na.
Ọkwa obodo si na obodo Nigeria na-ekpe ekpere na achọ ka ha chegharịa. Nigeria na-ekpe ekpere highest mana arụrụ ana juru Nigeria. Nigeria na-ekpe highest na ekpere mana arụrụ ana bụ the number 1 until we get it right. If not, na ga nzoro omi ike ka m jee.
Maka na Christians obodo a dị mma ka president ji security no dey bụ Christians more than Muslim.
Da kọwara ha na.
N'obodo anụnwa efu, all because na Christians dị okay ka president ha security no with him. Almost 80% bụ Christians, more than Muslim, but ọ onye isi ana ka ọ bụ. That all trust with Christians obodo a because na ha dey spread.
Trust ndị baya trust.
All because of trust onwe na Christians, ka Christians ji wee karịa na government house more than Muslim. Ndị na-akpụ isi ana.
Emechara adoration. Ọ ya eji wee trust onwe.
Obodo a nwe ihe dị ka adoration n'obodo anụnwa. Adị akụ dị aka. Akasị amasị in the morning, akpọchi unu ụka kpọchie gate onye ọbụla je business.
Ifu geba na-enye onye n'ụlọ. Edenye cheche onye n'ụlọ. Ụka is a place of worship, not a place of giving. Ọ bụrụ ebe a na-amị ndị mmadụ ọyị, adịghị eme here. Even serve here, ebe anyị dịrị enwe ebe a na-eti tips. Enwe box dị n'etu for ndị arịrịọ maọbụ ndị wụ na-atụ n'ọnụ. So ebe ọ dị outside for your own. Itinye ego ebe a na-eji enye krepụ ndị ihe na-atụ n'ọnụ nke unu bụ edebe ha na Nigeria Church esi ntụ anyị edebe a ga-esi from Monday nyegide onyinye ma na-ajụsị onyinye unu na-enye na-ebu eje Rome isi adịkwa unu mma. Onyinye unu na-enye na-ebu eje Rome isi adịkwa ndị na-enye adịkwa maasị na isi adịkwa anọ because I was once a victim anyway. Adịm agbaka ndị Christian war mụ abụ a Christian mana ihe nchọrọ ide emetụta abụ early Christian, life of early Christian, ancient religion.
Mee ka ha maa n'obodo anụnwa nothing like offering for projects. Ada akọ dị aka here.
Project gịnị ka ị na-arụ? Ihe ị kwesịrị inyere offering n'obodo a ị na-ere offering for ụlọ ọgwụ gọọmenti nwere ụlọ ọgwụ. Ị na-enye offering ka arụọ hall gọọmenti na-arụ everything. Even in that your church gọọmenti debere polisi ebe a debe amị na-amonitọ gị.
Na Nigeria ka ị ga-afe doctors ọ na-agwụ isi ọwụwa agwọ ọkpa agwọ operation agwọ nke a. But n'obodo anụnwa ọ bụrụ na ọrịa ka anya ka ị na-agwọ ịkwụrụ n'anya but na Nigeria ga-afọ isi gị na ya na-agwọ anya na-agwọ ụkwụ na-agwọ isi na-agwọ nta na-agwọ ime ofu onye
kemgbe ji gawa n'ụzọ efugebe edebere aja n'ụzọ
efugebe
achụrụ aja na fọkọ
adịghị emeghị ya ihe mekwanye ya na-eme kamera juru ebe niile
ọnọkọta nnọọ dị n'ụbọ you well weta coke ma fanta
bịa na-agba n'iro
wuti akpa
calabash
ịbịa na iro bịa dobe na-eji chụọ aja ebe ahụ ị na-edobe ka aka na-abụ na-eme gị ntụ achịkọta ya ebe ahụ ị gwọrọ aja gị aha ịnwere a na-ekwu kristian ndị na-agwọ ọgwụ na achịcha na asọ ha ga na-agwọ ebe ahụ ị na-agwọ ọgwụ ga ịbịara ịchụ aja na-edobe udu aja gị aha ka a bịa rie aja ebe ahụ ka aka na-abụ na-eme gị ntụ achịkọta ihe ọ bụla ihe efe bụ na sanctuary be you Christian, be you Jewish, be you Muslim, everything bụ na church na sanctuary afọ gị na iro even bọsị na-eme vidio ntu a amara na polisi ji na-eso m a na-eme vidio ntu a amara na polisi na-eso m ha ji mufti ha pụta polisi obodo a na disgas ịfọdụ ka onye ara ịfọdụ ọ na dosbin na-ekpe ahịhịa mana CID ka ọrụ mgbe bazara jọb sị how are you? Say fine. Where are you from? Say from Nigeria. My tourist. So okay. From the passport go see. Some they go sorry thank you are journalist. Oh, thank you very much. Because had a team that know English for foreigners, so that foreigners they can be able to communicate. Whoever need better with that, they make the Hebrew microphone. Jesus na bogi. They make Jesus na bogi. Ebe Jesus na bogi. I say jebe dobere mama na papel. Jesus na bogi. Go to his place. Ebe libere Jesus. Mbo amatoro also from Herod. But also na Egypt. That's shepherd on Egypt. Shepherd Jesus Christ. He oboro na Jesus na bogi. Go to ebe dobere Jesus libere. Jeba jebo diabo. I get a church tata. Everybody no quiet. A na-abụkwa abụ na-akụ aka o mana ya nụ esi ludo esi n'eku ya Jesus na-akpọ gị a na-asị gị Lord choosing nọkwa obodo ahụ mana Lord choosing ha na-emisbehave ihe anyị fere ha na-emisbehave na Nigeria enwere ka Lord choosing n'obodo ha nwere branch obodo a but jugode Pastor Lazarus Muoka na o nwere ike iyi prom gaa n'Egypt ọkwa dat mọkọta mmadụ ndị ya na Abia steeti ha na ndị pilgrimage ndị Lord choosing ha na Abia steeti ebe ekpere jụọ ha na onwere ofu onye ha na-eyi prom ka onye na-ere anụ onwere onye na-eyi prom na-agafe Egypt mana ha nọkwa obodo a bụ nwukwe eyi prom ga onye ọbụla ga-eyi nọma akwa ebe ozugbo ebe ahụ ndị Egypt na-ekpe ekpere ebe ọkaba ekpe ekpere ebe ụwa anyị na-akpe ekpere no black no white ibe ebe ebere na-ekpe ekpere mana ọ bụrụ na Nigeria ha ga-eji megafon with apron nyegide mkpọtụ disturb gide neighborhood still Nigeria na-ekpe ekpere for prosperity anyị nwere more than 10,000 churches na Nigeria still anyị enweghị ọkụ anyị enweghị mmiri anyị enweghị ụzọ nwere nke anyị nwere no state light ụzọ jọrọ njọ things are not moving right.
O nwere ụdị egwu ị ga-akpọ na flat ga-akpọ ọrụ gị eke enwere ụdị egwu speaker gị you have to be careful.
Adị
enwe speaker
TV dịkọta itinye ji gbatu ọnọkọta ị na-enye mkpọtụ na-edistọbụ onye nọ na the other flat. People never travel. Ịmara ndị bụ ụka n'isi bụ ịmara those pastors and reverend bishop them ha emego travel ha macha eziokwu mana due na ndị poor members across the Murtala Mohammed airport so nwere ife ha ma ihe ọbụla na-agwa ha ga na-egodi ọgwụ ife ọbụla na-agwa ha ga na-ebelieve because they never travel. All I can say travel and see. A traveler is a part of education. Travel and see. When you travel, nobody born by a woman can intimidate you. They call rubbish, call koja. Umero. Nigeria, Nigeria ha ka ụka. Mana manye patara na government of Nigeria jiwe jide ndị Christians. Government of Nigeria value the Muslim. Even the Christianity, not a government house, value the Muslim. Carrier the Christian. Do you know why? Every day of election, Christians need no Nigeria. Nigeria not envelope.
Not right.
Now, how will you tell your president that he's not doing well? A priest, and he's not the priests are double the home. Nigerian are tough for today. Christianity costs 60%.
More than 60%.
Because here is like Christianity costs 60%. The name of the hero, the name of the hero 5%.
It's true. Right.
The name of more 5% in Nigeria because whenever I gather, and whenever I quack, and whenever I bubble. So when most people not go more, Nigeria is filled with Christianity. One more people ever go more. Nigeria will a Christian church or to happen. And they na bind the rebuke, na cast, and na kabu, na zobu, name chapware. Fuel the 1,002.
Isiagu.
Hey man, you say that Christians study with Nigeria by force. How they will you know what shit really? Nigeria Christianity will part of problem. I'm a Christian, but I must tell myself the truth, and I have to show you with proof. Number one, about why are we blind now? Also, they are blind. Naming ceremony. Don't worry, I will tell you about me. Me boost of the year. Oh, 8 o'clock. Don't worry now. Come, just give me 10 minutes. Here is one agree. Now, that's how contribute to Bona. Obuna during the election, Nigeria do canine. None one body and one meeting. We equal enough is enough. Obuna pastor nine, bishop nine, reverend nine, prophet nine, and then you want big church. Obuna had what their members here. It's time to take what belongs to us. Now Nigeria belongs to us. Let us take back the country. I'm a Christian. I'm with a son. I'm with a lawyer. I'm with this Bobo. I'm with Ndi Igbo. I'm with you can imagine to take this country and choose the best leader. Christianity, I'm talking, please. Christianity, Christian, rather me have only one church in Kaya, Abuja. Remember, Guru Amuma saying that God will bare na no nya prayer answer. Members of the church who know to area yo who generally or thousands, millions. They just told you Abuja say na Chineke bare for an vision no nya they need is Nigeria to the next level. Members of the church because Hana to a good mother. Nigeria to a good mother, or a good chin and a happy good. If I not to be a good mother because of being here, pastor be here, here bishop here, here father here, if you got here, here prophet here, nobody name I not to a good mother, and I had open and to a good chineke. Only when I to good chineke, ya man, no good go buy ya be where what belong to us. I wish I can invite Ezugo TV, but if not, come here and continue this live broadcast tomorrow. Ceremony. I will be right back, and this year will go. Maybe tomorrow morning I will post video, at least one chapter of the video about it. And with a lot of videos to be posted, but no, I'm there one by one. After pages, anyone you can choose to follow, fine. And with the page, the active, Jpac Igbo Connect or the active, Jpac Chief of Staff or the active, Mr. Jpac Comedy or they are all active. they are all working. So whenever I come back to Nigeria, I would like to recruit 3 workers. 3 workers go to our, but their salary will start from 50,000 naira. I'll provide them a car. History. I'm going to with verified news. 50,000 for starting. When I'm at Nigeria, I buy that one. Because come somewhere. I'll be right back. Thank you.